At the end of this video, you will learn how to record and publish your lecture presentation with narration in PowerPoint. So keep watching. Hi, I'm Lowell, a faculty from the College of Education. In our transition to remote teaching and learning, pre-recorded slide presentation with narration is a viable strategy to compensate our face-to-face lecture with our students. So today, I am tasked to show you how to record your presentation with narration in PowerPoint. So let's begin. Let's check first what we need. So we need the slide presentation of our lesson, an operational mic, a webcam, although this is optional, and make sure you have installed a Microsoft PowerPoint in your desktop or laptop. My PowerPoint comes with Office 365 and it's in the latest version. However, if you have an older version of PowerPoint, you should be able to do this, but I can guarantee the process would be the same. Now ensure that you turn on or enable the record tab. If you cannot find this record tab, you go to slideshow tab and click it open. Now in the recording tab or slideshow tab, you will see different buttons here. So just go directly to record slideshow and click the pull down menu. In the pull down menu, 3 buttons will appear. If you click the upper half of the button, it starts you to record the current slide. If you click the lower half of the button, it gives you the option to start recording from the beginning of the slide. The clear command deletes narrations or timings in your slides. Once you click either record from current or beginning, the recording window will open with buttons at the top left for starting, pausing, and stopping the recording. Click the red button when you're ready to start the recording. A 3-second countdown shows, then the recording begins. You can stop the recording anytime by clicking the stop button. In addition, you can also find navigation arrows on either side of the current slide, which allows you to move to the previews marked A and next slides marked B. The buttons at the lower right corner of the window allows you to toggle on or off the microphone, camera, and camera preview. Still in the recording window, you can use the pen or highlighter to make a point in your presentation, and PowerPoint records those actions also. If you want to change the color of the ink of the pen or highlighter, use the color selection boxes. You can also use the eraser to remove the add ink in your slides. When you finish recording your narration, a small picture appears in the lower right corner of the recorded slides. The picture is an audio icon, or if the web camera was on during the recording, a still image from the webcam is shown. The recorded slideshow timing is automatically saved. If you want to see it, just switch to slide sorter view. You will see the timings listed below each slide. Now, preview first the recorded slide with narration before publishing it. To preview the recorded sound, in the recording window, click the triangular replay button near the top left corner to preview the recording of the current slide. To preview the recorded slideshow, go to the Slideshow tab, click from beginning, and during playback, your animations, inking actions, audio and video will play in sync. Once you're satisfied with your recording, you can make it available to others by publishing it. With presentation open, in the recording tab, select Export to Video, or you can go to File tab and select Export. In the Export window, you have various options on how you will export your presentation. In this case, select Create a Video. You can also select the quality of your video from standard to 4K. In this case, I selected Full HD. Remember, the higher the quality, the larger the file is. In timings and narration, I selected Use the recorded timing and narration that I created during the recording. And finally, click Create Video button, then Save window will appear. Name your video and click Save and you're done. You can now share your video presentation to your students. There you go! That's how you record your presentation with narration in PowerPoint. Thank you.